What's up guys, it's Parker. We're at the shop doing the supercharger install today. Didn't realize my buddy Troy's M6 is here and now it is green. Gonna check out what the progress is like. What's up, what's up? Holy crap, you have been hard at work.
Very.
Damn. Well, this has gone from a, hey guys, nothing has been done so far. Here's the beginning to, oh, my supercharger's almost installed. Air intake completely relocated down to here. That's pretty crazy. As you can see, it is not a turbocharger. What are these guys?
They help to streamline the airflow going into each cylinder.
Gotcha.
Where the air comes in, if you didn't have all these,
yeah, just kind of go over the top. Way too much air?
You'll get the first, air. And the intake pulse is what it would cause the last cylinders to not get an even flow. BMW is awesome engineering.
Jeremy has gotten way more work done on this car. It appears that it's pretty difficult to install. It's supposed to be plug and play, bolt on, whatever, but definitely an easier job than the ESS supercharged LP560 that he just completed. But having a little bit of trouble putting on this last intake manifold. Looks like you're just gonna have to force the thing in. Update, dipstick in the way. Zip tie fix. It's OEM. We're trying putting the seal on here first. So it won't, doesn't want to go on. There we go. Nothing's lining up right. Well, it appears we might have to take, well, not me, Jeremy is gonna have to take the entire thing apart and rotate part of the bracket on the supercharger so that this will actually hook up this. Nothing's lining up right.
It's not like the wing where you can just leave the rubber not quite right.
You're not supposed to say the wing wasn't quite right.
Oops, the wing was perfect. Well, it only took you 5 minutes to get it out.
It takes longer to get it out.
We're gonna test fit it this time so that he doesn't have to put the entire thing together and stretch a belt that apparently is extremely tight and requires quote unquote 2 people to put on. See if it fits first.
It's already better.
Supercharger install is almost completely done. Let's go check this thing out. I'm excited and horrified to start it up for the first time. Finally got this thing hooked up. And there's more space for the twin supercharger action over here. That would be nuts. Just got to update the ECU with some tuning that they provided us, and she should be good to go.
E-Flash software right here. I log into it, and it takes you through the, the whole.
Cool. First startup. She's running, sounds pretty mean. Can't wait to take it out for a drive in a little bit, see what 560 horsepower is all about. Now, the E39 M5 is no longer a naturally aspirated V8. I'm excited. This is about to be nuts.
I'm scared.
I'm a little scared too, so we'll see. Oh boy, what have I done? What have I done? I'm freaking excited.
I'm so scared.
I'm so excited, holy shit.
So scared.
Okay, it's really fast. Oh man.
Oh my god, you're the thing.
Yeah, no, it does that. So right off the bat, it kind of feels like stock, only faster. There wasn't any surge of power or lag of any kind. Definitely spun the tires way more than it normally does. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot faster. Oh shit. It still sounds like that awesome naturally aspirated V8 and it pulls harder, so. Oh, all right, I'm happy. Thank you, Jeremy. Best technician ever. Let's give her another rip. All right, ESS VT560 supercharger is freaking awesome. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm pumped. I'm gonna make a ton of videos on this car. You guys leave comments below. Let me know what you wanna see me do with the M5. Please browse our channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next video.